Welcome to Stability World AI, your gateway to endless creativity. Today, we're going to explore our AI text to image and discover how you can bring your ideas to life with just a few clicks. Let's dive in. How to use AI text to image. Let's begin. Head over to our website at https://app.stabilityworld.ai. This is where the magic happens. If you're already part of our community, simply log in using your existing credentials. New to Stability World AI? No problem. You can quickly sign up and join the fun. Navigate to the AI text to image section on our platform. It's right there waiting for you to explore. Now let your imagination run wild as you type in your prompt. Think of it as setting the stage for your masterpiece. Next, adjust the settings to your liking. Want a different aspect ratio? Prefer a specific style? We've got you covered. Once you're happy with your settings, it's time to hit that generate button. Get ready to watch your idea come to life right before your eyes. Not quite what you had in mind?
No worries.
Feel free to tweak your settings and generate a new image until it's absolutely perfect. And there you have it. Your very own AI-generated image. Ready to share it with the world? Just click download and save it to your device. Thank you for watching. And that's a wrap. You're now equipped to unleash your creativity with Stability World AI's AI image generator. Happy creating!